the Redragon COBRA M711. This is an RGB gaming mouse going for under $20 on Amazon, and it even comes with a case. The manual, and here's the mouse. This actually feels like a solid mouse for under $20. I cannot believe it. As for its performance, I do not know yet, so I'll be sure to test this thoroughly and do a follow-up video. This has a braided cable. Here's what the end of the USB cable looks like. Has 3 adjustable buttons and 2 thumb buttons. Here's what the mouse looks like lit up.
The RGB lighting effects appear to be strobing right now, but that's just the way my camera's picking up the video. It's not that way in person.
You have the Redragon logo and the RGB lighting going around the outside of the mouse, as well as the wheel. As far as aesthetics are concerned, this is a great mouse for under $20. Again, I really cannot wait to put this to the test. This is a great deal, and I can't wait to do an extensive review on this product. If you want to check out another great deal, Redragon also has a combo set. At the time when I purchased it, it was 50 bucks, and you get a headset, mouse, mechanical keyboard, and mouse pad. For at the time, it was 50 bucks. I think right now it's going for 60, but that's still an incredible deal. I'll make sure to link that in the upper right-hand corner of the screen.